Let's take a look at finding quartiles with Excel version 16. First, I want to put some data in. So we got 2, 12, 31, 15, 42, 71, 83, 82, 105, 5, and 7. Now we got 3 quartiles that we're going to find. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. I just labeled them that way. And I want to click my FX. And probably you see statistical here if you've done some of these previous videos, but if you don't, you do the drop down, you choose statistical. And we'll go down to the Q's for quartile. And usually there's 3 here. That's interesting. Got rid of some. Okay, so we're going to choose the quartile inclusive. So I'll click OK. Let me check something. Bothers me they disappeared. Oh, there it is. It's just not in the list anymore. So here's quartile down here. Anyway, I choose inclusive. And I put the data range in here, which is A1 colon A11 comma 1. And that returned my first quartile. Now here I'm going to do my FX. Go down to my quartiles again. And again, I want to do the inclusive one. Click OK. It pops up here. When it asks for this first array, you can click and drag, selecting A1 to A11, or you can just type A1 colon A11. And we want our second quartile, so we'll put 2 in. Click OK. And now our third quartile. So again, I'll click FX. When you're here, you can type quartile. Very quickly go down there. Again, I want inclusive. And I'll type it in this time, A1 colon A11. And we want our third quartile, so put 3 in there. And click OK. And that gives us our 3 quartiles. Now remember, your second quartile is the same as your median. So if I were to use the median formula, equals median, then A1 colon A11, close parentheses, you see I'd get the same value. But that's how you find your quartiles.